Hello friends, today we are going to learn some names of birds. I will show you some pictures of birds. Okay, are you ready? Look at the blackboard. It is peacock. It is a very beautiful bird. It is colorful bird. Do you like peacock? Yes ma'am, I like peacock. I like its colorful feathers. Yes, very good Sam. Now we see the next picture of birds. Okay, look at the blackboard. Raju, come here. Yes ma'am. Look at this picture and say the name of this bird. It is parrot. Yes Raju, it is parrot. Do you like parrot? Yes ma'am, because its color is very green. Okay, take your seat Raju. Okay student, now we see the next picture of bird. Okay, are you ready? Look at the blackboard. It is hen. Raju, what is the color of this hen?
It is white, ma'am.
Very good Raju. Okay student, I will show you some pictures. Look at this picture. It is pigeon. What is this? It is pigeon. Okay, look at the next picture. It is sparrow. What is this meaning? It is sparrow. Now, see the next picture. What is this lily? It is duck. Very good lily. Okay student, we see some pictures here. Okay? Yes ma'am. Okay, look at the wall picture. It is cock. Now, see the next picture. It is owl. Sam, what is this? It is owl. Okay students, today we see some name of birds. You will write the name of birds in your notebook. Look at the blackboard and write down, okay? Yes ma'am. Okay ma'am. Very good. Now see you again